Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple step-by-step guide on how to disconnect connected accounts on the X app. If you've ever linked another account and no longer want them connected, this quick process will help you regain full control over your settings. Let's get right into it. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to manage or disconnect linked accounts. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top corner of the screen. This will open up a menu filled with options, and from there, we're heading straight to Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and tap on Security and Account Access. This is the section where all of your account connections and permissions are stored. Now, look for the option labeled Connected Accounts. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of the accounts currently linked to your profile. If you have more than one connected, you'll be able to choose which one you want to disconnect. When you've selected the account you'd like to remove, tap Disconnect. At this point, for your own security, you'll be asked to enter your password to confirm the action. Type in your password, and once you're done, the connected account will no longer have any access to your X profile. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to completely disconnect any unwanted linked accounts from the X app. This is a great habit to practice if you like keeping your accounts organized and secure. Whether you had a third-party account connected or you simply want a fresh start, following these steps ensures that your personal data stays protected. To recap, open the X app, tap your profile icon, go to Settings and Privacy, select Security and Account Access, tap on Connected Accounts, choose Disconnect, and confirm with your password. Taking a moment to review these settings every once in a while is always a smart move. It gives you peace of mind and keeps your digital life well within your control. Thanks for watching.